is the International Association of Lions Club District 317B. The Lions Club of Barbara Nagwa Parra. Installation ceremony has just concluded almost, and Veda has been elected as Veda Fernandez has been elected as the president of Lions Club. I would like to congratulate her for the same and her entire team, and wish her all the best. All the dignitaries on the dais, Saish Lavande, all the dignitaries sitting below, Anthony D'Souza, Anthony Fernandez, I don't know everybody's name, Reverend Father Urban, and all you others who are present over here. It's a great honor and pleasure to be here as a Lion member of Asagaon. Anthony Fernandez, my uncle, and Victor D'Souza together had given me this opportunity to join Lions Club of Asagaon. I was asking them, there is no Lions Club over here. Yeah, it is there, but we want you in Asagaon. So I joined over there. I think I have attended only 2 or 3 meetings. And they excuse me because every time I have so many other functions and I cannot attend their meetings. But still, I am proud to be a Lion member, and I think I have had a program along with Lions Club of Kalangut. I think Anthony knows what I am talking about. D'Souza. We had given helmets to the motorists. That time there were a lot of road accidents taking place. So we bought some 200 helmets, I think, and we gave to all those who were not wearing helmets. So police used to stop them, give them a challan, right now, challan and then give them a helmet. So a lot of motorists who came to know, they purposely were not wearing a helmet so that they could get one. I think thing needs to be changed. Our mindset needs to be changed. A lot of accidents really take place in Goa, especially in the rainy season. We see a lot of cows sitting on the road, and a lot of accidents take place, especially with two-wheelers, where there is no electricity. Sometimes on the main road it goes off, and a lot of accidents do take place. And when it comes to a prestigious club like Lions Club, and the motto is to serve, and I strongly believe that Lions Club is doing a very great job in Goa and internationally. And in Goa, I think, especially in this coastal belt, there are so many things we can work together. And Lions Club of Kalangut, they do a lot of activities. I think Lions Club of Barbara Nagwa Parra, I will help you all to do some activities. We need to, since I am the waste management minister, we need to bring the required change in this coastal belt as far as plastic ban is concerned. You can print some jute bags, and I will sponsor you all the jute bags. So if you can give it to every house, just print your logo, Lions Club of Barbara Nagwa Parra, and we serve. It's a remembrance also, plus a message. Say no to plastic. So plastic we see plastic these days, especially choking all the drainage system in Goa. We see plastic on the beach because it is washed over by the waves and the current, because the plastic which went from all the nallas, which we drove bags of plastic into the nallas, gutters, paddy fields, hills, it is all gone in the sea, and the sea has thrown it back on the beach. And these days we are collecting 4 times the plastic on the beach what we collect normally in the season time. So plastic is the biggest hurdle as far as garbage is concerned. The biggest quantum of garbage which we receive in the plant, garbage treatment plant every year. And my request to Lions Club of Barbara Nagwa is, you make jute bags in two sizes. One that similar, which can be used for nearly 1 year, for to put all their grocery items inside, a little bigger one. One for fish also, which they can actually just wash it out. So it has a thin fiber sheet inside, like a thick plastic it is, nothing happens. You just put water, they dry it up. So if people start using this, then we will not have plastic. Very soon we are going to ban. And we have seen for the last 3 years, we are only saying we will ban. But then we forget about it. But seriously, we want to ban plastic in Goa, how they have done in Mumbai, in Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, everywhere it is banned. But here it is still going on. We need to ban it. But before we ban, let us make sure that people have something in their house, and we will give it free of cost. So you identify the source who will give us these jute bags, which inside will have like a thin polythene, which can be used for nearly 1 long year. Let it be as expensive, no problem. We will make sure that some company sponsors it under CSR. We have so many companies in Pilani Industrial Estate, Cipla is there, Vijayata, in Urlim Industrial Estate. I will speak to them, they will sponsor under CSR. And we will give it in Arpara, Nagwa, Parra. First phase. I don't know whether Kalangut will take that initiative. But after banning plastic, this will really be very handy to the household. It is a message that we care. Lions Club cares for environment. So let the message go loud and clear. We will have a very good media coverage so that people in Goa also knows that the ban is coming. Ban of plastic is coming. It is my department who has to start the ban. I will make sure that the markets have enough jute bags and other bags to replace plastic. So definitely I want you all to be the first to start the campaign in Goa along with the government. That is our department, Science and Technology. Let us take this one step towards Green Goa and Clean Goa. I thank Lions Club of Arpara Nagwa and especially all of you who are present over here, and congratulate you for the new innings of Arpara Nagwa and Parra. Let us all work together and help a lot of people. I have seen that you have done a great job of honoring the meritorious students. I would also request you that if you can recognize all those who have come out from first class onwards and announce that everyone who comes out first class will get a token of appreciation from Lions Club of Arpara Nagwa Parra. I'll make sure that I will give you that amount, because for education I support a lot and I have funds for education from my business. We'll transfer the money and you can issue checks to all those students who have come out first class. Because this year I could not do that program, I should do it over here. So this year I would extend my full support to Lions Club of Arpara Nagwa Parra to honor the meritorious students who have come out first class, distinction and above. So start from first class and announce that next year also you will give, so that the student gets the boost that if I come out first class, Lions Club is going to honor me. So it's a challenge before all the students who come out first class. So at least they will not come out first class, they will come out second class. So in this way we can help a lot of students to excel in studies. The results were good, but most of them get second class. So let us see that they get first class. So that program also you can do as a part, maybe next month or something. All the students who have got first class and above, honor them, and whatever this you get of the residents of Nagwa, Arpara, Parra. You can also do for Kalangut and Kadnali. I have no with these two functions, which I will fully sponsor you, you take the lead and see that all the benefits go to the people of Arparanagar, Pala, Kalam, Sangalim, and also other people of Goa.